Hello students, today we will learn how to create links in HTML. So, first of all, we will introduce the feature about linking, that linking web pages. So all of you know, students, that a website is a collection of multiple web pages, and if you want to move from one web page to another web page of a same website, then for that linking is very powerful feature. Okay, and that's also known as a hyperlinking. Okay, just like you can see that there here is a type of the linking. So here in HTML, two types of linkings are available, that the internal linking and the external linking. Okay, and now firstly we will discuss about the internal linking, that when one part of web page is linked to another section of the same page, it is called internal linking. So students, we can create the link for the same web page. If we have a long document, long web page, okay, and there is a different section of that web page, and if you want to move from one section to another section easily and fastly, then we can create the links for that. So such type of linking that connects, that link the same web page different sections, so that type of linking is known as the internal linking. And now external linking, students, when one page is linked to another web page or website, it is called external linking. When we want to navigate or move from one web page to another web page of the same website, then that type of linking is known as the external linking. Okay, now what's the importance of linking? So using links, we can navigate through the desired web documents. Okay, whatever document URL we will mention, that we can move on that. Okay, now we will learn that how to create the external linking and the anchor tag. Okay, so you know, in HTML every work is done with the help of the tag. So a tag is used to create a link. Okay, a tag is used to create a link in HTML. And how we can create link with the help of the a tag? So students, a stands for the anchor, and here a tag is used to create the link. And you know that a tag is always used with its attribute href, just like img tag is always used with its src attribute, that's a mandatory attribute of the img tag. In the same manner, href attribute is the mandatory attribute of the a tag. In href, we have to give the URL of that web page. Okay, and now that we have to mention the tags that we want to make the hyperlink, and after that we have to close the a tag. So the tags that we will write between the starting a and closing a tag, that will become the hyperlink. Okay, and when we will click on this text, that we will move to the URL or to the web page that we have mentioned in href. Okay, a tag is used to create an anchor to link from. The href attribute is used to address the document. A tag is used to create the link, but href attribute is used to give the address of the document that we want to link to the word that is written between the open and closing anchor tag. Okay, so this anchor tag, we can see here the example, ahref http www.w3.school.com. Here the word that we want to become the hyperlink, that is visit W3 school A. So what will happen when we will execute this code? Then visit W3 schools, the tags that is written between the starting and closing a tag, that will become the hyperlink. Okay, and we can say that's a hyper tags, that is something different from the normal tag. By default, this tags will be in blue color and underlined, and when we will move our mouse pointer on such type of tags, then the mouse pointer will convert into the hand symbol, and when we will click on this, then W3 school website will open, because I have mentioned the URL of W3 website in href. Okay, so this is the use of the a href attribute, and in this manner we can create the link. Okay, and title attribute, so for one attribute is href and the next attribute is title. It is used to give a title to the document to which we are linking. If you want to give the title to the linked document, then we can use the title attribute of the a tag. Okay, now internal linking, the name attribute is used to create links within the same document. Okay, so students, you know that to link the different web pages of the same website, we have to use the a tag with its attribute href. In href we have to give the that web page URL that we want to link. Okay, but if we want to create the internal linking in the same document, different sections, then what we have to mention in the href. Okay, so the name attribute, we have to use one more attribute in internal linking of a tag, that the name attribute. Okay, name attribute is used to create links within the same document. This attribute will help us to create the internal linking. The value of the name attribute is an identifier for the anchor, and this should always be unique. Line below defines the named anchor, because in name attribute we have to give the name of the section on which we want to move by clicking on the href. Okay, so here I will give you the full explanation with the practical implementation. So move to the notepad for implementing the practical of that. Okay, so new file, and now html. Okay, html, then head. Here heading I'm giving that linking. Okay, linking. Today we have start the linking topic, so I'm giving the topic heading of my HTML document is then now body busy color equals to, I want to set here yellow. Okay, yellow, and then text color I want to set here green. Okay, so now after that I have to start the p tag if I want to give some paragraph. Okay, so today we are discussing about important feature of HTML, that is linking. Okay, so that I want to write here. Okay, now after that I have to start the a tag. Then it is used always with the attribute href, and you have to give the URL of the another HTML document that is already created. Okay, so here I am giving the name of my another HTML file, that is u.html, or we can give the name v.html. v is also present here, v.html. Okay, and now closing a tag. Okay, and between starting and closing a tag we have to give the word that you want to make hyperlink. Okay, so I want to give here the any word, just like I want to give here contact us. Okay, and now after that I have to close the HTML. I have to close the body tag, body, and after that I have to close the HTML. Okay, now I have to save my file. Okay, so now I have to save my file. So I'm saving this file with the link.html. Okay, and I'm setting the okay. Now after that what we have to do, we have to run the file. So on desktop I have to find the file with link name. Yes, and now students, you can see the output. I have set the yellow color background, green text. Okay, and now the word that is hyperlink, that by default it is in blue color and underline. We have not used any blue tag, any blue color text feature. Okay, and you can see that my mouse pointer is of arrow type, and when I will move this mouse pointer on such type of text, that it will convert into the hand symbol. And when I will click on this, okay, now I move to the v.html file. I have created a file that is v.html. Okay, so from the file name that I have created, that is the link.html. Now you can see in the title bar that now at present I am in the link.html, and I have connect the contact us hyperlink to the v.html, and when I will click on this hyperlink, then I will move from current location to the location or to the file that I have mentioned in the href URL. Okay, so I have given the v.html, and now you have to check that in title bar when I will click on this, the file name will be changed. Okay, now you can check that now I have moved to the v.html. Okay, in this manner we can connect the multiple web pages of a website with the help of the a tag href attribute. Okay, and now students, I will tell you one more thing, that in place of text we can make an image as a link. We can create an image link, and when we will click on that image, then the website address or the web page address, whatever we will mention in that, we will move on that. Okay, now I will give the one example for that also. Okay, so I am moving to the, okay, so class, I have a file that is already I have created. Okay, so I'm just showing the notepad code for that you, and now after that we will run this. Okay, so now students, you can see here is a file html head body a href. In href I have given the google.com URLs. Okay, that's the URL that we that is used to open the Google Chrome. Okay, now I want to create the image as a link. Okay, so by using the img src you can create you can insert any image. Okay, so I have already google.bmp I have created a image file. Okay, and I have given the src, in src the address or the name of the file. Okay, and now this is a starting a tag href. In href I have given the website address that I want to open when I will click on this image. Okay, and how we can insert the image? By imgsrc. Okay, and now after that I have closed the a tag. So starting a tag and closing a tag, I have given the image address, so that image will become a link, and when we will click on this link, then we will move on the this address. Okay, so now I am showing the output for that. Okay, so for that I have to run the file, so I am running this file. Okay, now this is the image, this is the image that I have created in the paint. Okay, and this image is the hyperlink, because you can check that when I will click when I will my mouse over such image, then you can check that it will convert it into the hand symbol, and when I will click on this, then I have moved to the Google home page. Okay, because I have class, because I have mentioned, I'm showing the coding to you again, because I have mentioned the Google Chrome homepage address there. Okay, you can check here. Okay, this is the code a href. In href I have given the Google homepage address here, and I want that this image will become hyperlink. Okay, so google.bmp file image file I have created in paint, and I have put this image file between the starting and closing a tag, so this image will become hyperlink, and when we will click on this image, then we will move to the following address that I have mentioned here. So again I am running this file, and you can check the output. Okay, so now I have clicked on this, and we move on the home page of the Google. Okay, so that's a image link and external linking implementation.